What's going on, guys? Phil here with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. ReadyLift just came out with this 9-inch kit for the 14 to 18 GM 1500s, and it is pretty sweet. So here are the top 5 features that we love about the 9-inch kit for the GMs. So, starting off right away in the front, the really nice thing about this is it works with the MagneRide, and that is all due to this bottom strut spacer instead of your typical top strut spacer. And they also have just a small spacer on top that's tapered so you get the proper angles. So the second thing that we really like about this kit is the fact that you can maintain your factory turning radius so you don't run into any issues there, as well as it doesn't increase the front track width very much. It's only about a ½ inch. So you'll see a lot of kits on the market are like 1.5 inches plus, then you gotta get rear spacers, but not with this bad boy. It's only a ½ inch, the track width increase. Third thing we love about this kit is the fact that it's 9 inches, because basically no one's offering a solution for that right now unless you're stacking together multiple lift kits, which we never recommend. So it's nice to see ReadyLift putting this kit together so you finally have a 9-inch solution for your half-ton trucks. So the fourth thing we love about this kit is it comes with ReadyLift's new TCT bushings. That stands for Terrain Control Technology, and we've got a cutaway one right here. So you'll see this is a free float inner bushing, which means basically it pivots on the inside and doesn't cause any wear on the outside of this, so they last much longer. And they include the new side biter washers, which is a term that they came up with, for better longevity, and it holds your alignment. So probably the best thing about this lift kit is simply the fact that it is a 9-inch kit, which means you can finally fit some big wheels and tires on these stupid Chevys that have square wheel wells. So there's guys out there that are running the 9-inch that are fitting 14 wides with 37 1350s on there. And yeah, you're still gonna have to do the Norcal, and you're still gonna probably deal with a little bit of trimming when you're coming in and out of driveways, but finally you can fit good size wheels and tires on these Chevys, so that's super awesome to see. If you have any other questions on this lift kit or any other brands you wanna check out, head out to customoffsets.com/lifts, and also make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.